Hello everyone and welcome to the Mikey Scott Studio YouTube channel. My name is Mikey and this is my basement recording studio based in Penetanguishene, Ontario. Today we are reviewing the FiFine TANK3, a dynamic XLR/USB microphone that promises pro sound on a budget. And so you can really hear what the TANK3 brings to the table, we're going to be comparing it with another microphone from FiFine, the K688. First impressions? This mic means business. The FiFine TANK3 has a fully metal body, a matte black finish, and a reassuring weight that makes it feel solid and serious. And it's very pretty, I must say. Up front, you'll find a gain knob, a headphone volume knob, and a mute button. All simple, functional, and cleanly laid out. Here's what the TANK3 is packing under the hood. It's a dynamic microphone with a cardioid polar pattern. It has USB-C and XLR outputs. It has a frequency response of 50 Hz to 16 kHz. It has a signal-to-noise ratio of 80 decibels, zero latency headphone monitoring, gain and headphone volume controls. It has a mute button, all metal construction with internal shock mounting. That dual XLR USB output makes it just as suitable for beginners as it does pros. The TANK3 is for creators who want a clean, balanced tone without overhyped frequencies. If you're into streaming, voiceover, content creation, or even acoustic demos, it offers clarity and control without adding its own strong personality to the sound. USB-C makes it plug and play. XLR gives you room to grow. And the headphone out is a huge plus if you're monitoring directly. Let's put the TANK3 to the test with a few real-world scenarios. I'll try it for spoken word, singing, and acoustic guitar. And I would like to compare it with the FiFine K688 just above my shoulder, just to highlight the differences. This is a spoken word test to compare these two dynamic microphones by FiFine. This is a spoken word test to compare these two dynamic microphones by FiFine. This is how I sound when I use this microphone. This is how I sound when I use this microphone. So if you're deciding between these two FiFine microphones, here's a quick breakdown. Choose the TANK3 if you want a more neutral, balanced tone. A mic that works great for varied content. More flexibility in shaping your sound. Choose the K688 if you want a rich broadcast style tone right out of the box. Less need for processing. A slightly more forward, punchy voice presence. Both are dynamic microphones. Both offer USB and XLR. The FiFine TANK3 is a no-nonsense, great-sounding microphone that's very easy to recommend. It's clean, sturdy, flexible, I think it looks gorgeous, and it's priced right. Whether you're recording vocals, voiceover, streaming, or podcasting, it gives you a professional sound without trying too hard to colour your voice. And it certainly earns its place right by the K688. But I'm curious, what do you think to the TANK3? Let me know in the comments, or tell me which microphone you'd like to hear this compared with. Please consider following the social media that you see on the screen right now. And I would love your subscription to this channel and your thumbs up, it would mean the world. There's plenty more comparisons, shootouts, and gear tests coming from Mikey Scott Studio. And if you're thinking of picking up one of these microphones, there are affiliate links in my description. It really helps my channel, and it's at no extra cost to you. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.